Hello, my friends. Today we are going to draw a cute caterpillar.
I'm a tiny caterpillar with munchers.
At first, I draw her face.
Green yellow stripes so long.
I draw her eyes.
The garden who leaves a tiny hungry friend. My favorite foods will never
Her
end.
eyelash. Eyebrow. I draw her smile.
Apple leaves and flowers sweet. A caterpillar.
I draw her body.
With every leaf I grow and change. A little bigger every range. Sometimes birds come from below. They want my munchy snack, you know. But I hide so quick beneath the stone. The hungry birdie flies alone.
I draw her legs.
Eyes flashing, rain and wind so strong. A caterpillar can't hang on. Down I tumble, small and scared. The world's so big, my heart unprepared. But wait, a friendly ladybird rang. Off the shelter, home and light. We snuggle close, then storm clouds go, and out comes the sunshine, soft and slow. The caterpillar
I'm going to draw some flowers.
The caterpillar crawl. The caterpillar crawl. Round and round the garden wall. Up the stems and down so fast. Tiny caterpillar built to last.
And I draw the sun.
The sun gets warm, it's time to rest. A cozy sleep will
Let's
be
coloring her
best.
eyes with
Find
black
a
color.
twig and start to spin. A silky house where I slip in. Close inside, the world goes dark, but big changes start to spark. Days go by, or
Yellow
maybe
color.
weeks, then something in me starts to squeak. I break out of my little shell. And what a
Red
surprise,
color.
this feels so swell. Fluttering wings of blue and red. A brand
Her
new
face with
body
pink
light
color.
has spread. I stretch my wings and test their might. A tiny flutter, then soaring fly.
Blue color.
I find a flower sweet and bright and sip the nectar, pure delight. The world looks different from above, with butterflies and songs of love.
Yellow
The
color.
caterpillar crawl. Butterfly, flutterfly, soar.
Orange color.
High above the trees and more. I'm a tiny caterpillar with munchers big and strong. Green yellow stripes so long.
Green color.
The garden leaves a tiny hungry friend. My favorite foods will never end.
Purple color.
Leaves and flowers sweet. A caterpillar's yummy tree. With every leaf I grow and change. A little bigger every range. Sometimes birds come from below. They
Yellow
want my
color.
munchy snack, you know. But I hide so quick beneath the stone. The hungry birdie flies alone.
Red color. Mint green color. Spring green color. Thank you for watching.
Wings so strong, a caterpillar can't hang on. Down I tumble, small and